Good evening to all of you. Number one, firstly I didn't know कि हम इतना ज़्यादा associations का chairman भी है. बैडमिंटन का है करके पता था, but I was just अभी पता चला कि Olympics Association का भी है. But otherwise also, despite that fact, not knowing that fact, I'm aware that there are a lot of issues which I keep in touch with the West Siang District Olympics Association, Football Federation, and various other sports-related organizations here in our district. So I didn't know I was the chairman, but then now I know. So that's a new information for me. I was quite enlightened to hear Daso's version of today's speech, actually. And thank you for enlightening the August gathering today, because we didn't know कि sports का scenario यहाँ पे कितना था, क्या scenario में था, how many achievers do we have, how many participants are going from our side, recent times, previous times. So thank you for shedding light on that. It shows that West Siang district has had a long and rich history and association and affiliation to sports, and that is at present situation, it's quite I understand now why it is quite disappointing for various sports related bodies also, because we have been known and we have been associated with sports for so many years. And having said all of that, we know district administration and the government knows that हमारा जो आलो stadium है, it is a long pending issue. Or just taking the opportunity today, I'd like to give my assurances also to the sports related federations, associations, that we are with you. We understand what you're saying, we validate what you're saying, and we also go and see what is happening. तो आप जो बोल रहा है, the आलो stadium related issues जो है, जो pendencies जो है, जो legacy issues जो है, we understand all of that, we see all of that, and that's why we've taken this up very seriously also कि डीडी स्पोर्ट्स भी आज आया है, नॉट जस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकेंड टाइम भी नहीं, बहुत बार आ चुका है सर. तो यू नो, I want to assure you that we are taking this on a very serious note, and hopefully very soon we'll see the Alo Stadium, finally it will see the light of day. So आप सबको पता भी है, last time भी meeting में भी बताया था that we had taken it up with Directorate Sports also, because Alo Stadium का बात करने से at DASO या district level we have limited jurisdiction. So that's why the DD Sports is here, and then we have deputed a joint junior engineer also. He's also here today. So we are taking all the efforts to ensure that sports revival happens in West Siang district, and it happens in a grand manner. So taking this opportunity, I just want to say that we are with you, and हमारे साथ भी आप consultative and collaborative effort कीजिए, so that we work together to get good results in the coming few months. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was जैसे SP ने भी बताया है कि various professional level sports and competitive sports जो है West Siang में बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. So my appeal to sir also, because sir को तो welcome करके, sir को congratulations करके बहुत I have had the opportunity to discuss since day before. So I just want to take this opportunity to say that sir, apart from competitive sports and apart from participating at internationally and national level, sir, हमारा जो basic recreational spaces है in West Siang या in Alo urban areas वो भी कम है. तो just a funny anecdote जो I thought I'll share to make the एटमोसफेयर थोड़ा सा हल्का. सर कल फ्लाइट पकड़ रहा था, बट आई वॉज अ लिटिल लेट. तो निक ऑफ टाइम में आई कॉट द फ्लाइट, बट भाग के पकड़ना पड़ा. सो देन आई रियलाइज दैट माई नीज आर हर्टिंग एंड आई एम नॉट दैट ओल्ड. तो देन आई गॉट टू नो आई एम नॉट दैट फिट. And why am I not fit, sir? Because I'm not really, I'm used to, sir, like walking in the park, yeah, walking on the road, yeah, heavy gym nahi hota hai mere se, sir. So then I realized that it's because that recreational space nahi tha, so I didn't have the opportunity to come out and you know, take up my own kind of fitness या exercise wala activity. So sir, you know, since you have got this portfolios, I'll just take this opportunity to request that, so let's try to build some recreational spaces also, not just focus on competitive sports. We can make Alo a more fitter town, sir, and even for our senior citizens or for females or for people like me who are young but I don't want to play football, I want to walk in the park. So I want to stress on the recreational space aspect of Alo Township, sir. So last, before dragging this any further, SP had also mentioned about youth policy. I just wanted to also flag to you, sir, that a consultative meeting is also going to take place, and Alo is the host district for the neighboring district. So DCs from Siang, DC of Basar, Shiomi, and these DCs with their nominated members will be coming to Alo to draft a youth policy. So we are having this on the 7th of August also, and sir, these points which we have discussed today, although today is a slightly casual this thing, but I'm listening to some of the points with seriousness. So we'll take up these points also to reflect our issues and our perspectives on how a youth policy should be. So this is just information सभी के लिए कि हमारा जो youth policy बनने वाला है, जैसे CM सर ने भी Year of the Youth करके declare किया है this year. So on that note, only youth policy is also being formulated by the state government, and the draft policy frame करने के लिए Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs will be coming, and the consultative committee meeting में we will be giving our perspectives of what the youth policies should include. So since this was not supposed to be such a serious gathering, लेकिन सब points को लेके we will push for these points also in the consultative meeting. And lastly, sir, ज़्यादा speech को लंबा नहीं करते हुए, because sir का भी बहुत points होगा. Once again, sir, आपको तो 3 बार wish कर चुका है, but hearty congratulations to you, sir, and a very, very warm welcome back to West Siang. It is really a matter of pride for us, and we know that you'll do very good, sir, because 3 बार तो interaction हो गया since you came back, sir. आपसे बहुत उम्मीद भी है, and you've also spoken, which has encouraged us also, sir. आपने भी बहुत words of encouragement and lots of words of advice भी दिया है. So, sir, again, many congratulations, and let's work together, sir, to make West Siang great. Thank you.